Hello guys, today I am going to tell you on how to change your country in Spotify. So, go first to your browser and search for Spotify website. Type spotify.com and log in into your account. Tap this one and tap account. And now, here is the account overview. As you can see here, my country is in the Philippines. And if I want to change it and try to click the edit profile, I can only change here my email, gender, and date of birth. But if I click on the country, there will be no option. But still, there is a way to do it. So, go back to your account overview. Scroll down, and here you can see your plan. Here, you have to join Premium. Remember, in order to change your country, you needed to join the Premium. After doing so, you can see an option for you to change your country. And from there, you can freely choose the country that you like. If you already had a plan, you can just directly and see the change country. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.